Hello everyone, I hope you are watching videos, some teaching tips, how to teach common noun to kids. Let's start. What is common noun? Explain with definition. A common noun is a name for any person, place, animal or things in general. सामान्य संज्ञा किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान, जानवर या वस्तु का सामान्य नाम होता है. एग्जाम्पल: बॉय, girl, city, dog, book. You can use things around them. Boy, ये कोई भी लड़का हो सकता है. Dog, कोई भी कुत्ता, किसी का भी नाम नहीं लिया गया. Book, कोई भी किताब हो सकती है. English, maths. समझाइए कि नाम नहीं बताया गया इसलिए ये कॉमन नाउन है. शो फ्लैश कार्ड्स और रियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फ्रूट्स, बॉय, स्कूल, डॉग, बुक. आस्क, क्या इसका कोई खास नाम बताया गया है? इफ आंसर इज नो देन इट्स अ कॉमन नाउन. यू कैन यूज सेंटेंस विद कॉमन नाउन. गिव एग्जाम्पल्स. द बॉय इज रनिंग. I have a book. She is going to school. Underline the common noun and ask kids to spot them. Give practice with shorting activity. Give a mix of common and proper noun and ask kids to short them. Example: Ram, Delhi, school, boy, dog, Sita. Ask them to pick the common noun. Boy, dog, school are common nouns. Ram, Delhi, Sita, they are common noun? No, these are proper noun. You can use fun activity. Give matching game. Match common noun to pictures. Give some pictures and student will match with the pictures. Dog, book, girl, fruit. Use pictures card. Show pictures and ask, what is this? Child says cat. You say yes, cat is a common noun. Cat का कोई भी नाम हो सकता है. Kitty is a proper name. You can also use toys or flashcards. Tell a story. Tell a simple story and ask, can you spot the common noun in the story? Example: a dog ran in the park. The boy threw a ball. In this, common noun: dog, park, boy, ball. Use reinforce with Hindi connection. Ask in Hindi, कुत्ता कौन है? Let's style answer, जानवर. Then say, dog is a common noun. It can be any of dog. Thanks for watching.